Hello everyone! We're going to the beach today to have a picnic and just relax.
Oo. Taling merienda. Ano? Pansit.
This is a noodle we bought at a Chinese restaurant. Time to eat! We're also gonna have some barbecue to grill here and we're getting ready for it. So let me check the stores here while he's firing up the grill. These beachfront houses here are mostly rentals or vacation houses, and they're very expensive to rent. I am back here and we'll be ready to barbecue in a few seconds. This is our food, by the way. We have breads from 85°. This is Filipino dish, and rice of course, and noodles that we already ate.
Luto ka?
Salamat, tinala ka diyan.
Luto ka? Ika, ikaw magluto dito.
Salamat na kayo.
Ikaw magluto. Luto mo. Hawakan mo ganun mo.
Ako tinatagalog talaga nila.
Hindi naman Kapampangan to, Tagalog to.
Yun daw, siya daw. Iba kung mapatong siya.
Dalikin na natin to.
Ito, reta manok. Reta manok magkawain mo. Ano? Yung manok, nakaiwalay.
Luto tayo.
Luto na daw. Kasi hindi pa nakakain ng pork. Manok na rin. Yun. Yung malalaki ano? Yung malalaki yun. Oo. Ano? Pangarap niya makapunan to. Kahit the boy
Nakuha niya yun sa Singapore.
bawal mag-apply. Nakasarap. Tinutulungan ni dito.
Let me give one barbecue to John. These are all the barbecue. Now cooking corn.
Ma'am, jangan.
Jojo ini para
Barbecue. Hindi akong skateboard eh, nag-aaral ako ng skateboard.
Ito
Parang napakadali pag nakikita mo siya tayo.
This is my third barbecue stick.
Kapag may mais na, Jo.
Oo, tita.
Thank you.
All we do here is eat. Now I'm gonna be eating rice. Now let's go to the beach. This was not planned, and while driving, we realized that this barbecue place is within the area, and last minute we decided to eat here. Sayaw dyan! For us, this is the best barbecue place in town, and there is always a line when we go here.
Five?
Any booster chairs or high chairs?
No.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna help with the table for you, okay?
Okay.
So 5, whoever's not ordering, the table is right here. Can come and sit at the table.
Thank you.
So what can I get for you today?
Can I get the best of both, the baby back rib and chicken?
Okay. Barbecue sauce on it, okay?
Can you put it on the side?
Okay. So what do you want for the side order?
A large fries.
Large fries? Okay.
And then can I also get a beefy rib and chicken dinner, the best of both?
Okay. Barbecue sauce on it, okay?
On the side.
Okay. What do you want for the side order?
Macaroni salad, coleslaw.
Macaroni salad and coleslaw?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else, guys?
And then can they also add the link and the free Coke and that? The link is just a link, right?
Yeah, it's just a sausage thing by itself. That's all it is.
Okay. Can I get that sausage sandwich?
Okay. Everything on it, okay?
What do you have on it?
This right here.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Anything else for you?
Can I also get the colossal onion rings?
Yeah, small or large?
How small is the small one?
The small is like 6 to 7 onion rings.
And then the other one?
13 to 14.
I'll just get the large.
The large? Okay. 2 more drinks? Okay. You want both of them, the beef rib and chicken, right?
One is baby back rib and chicken.
And
the
one is
other
the beef rib.
beefy rib, yeah.
Just making sure. And then 2 links and drinks, a sausage sandwich, large onion ring, and 2 more drinks. So it's 81.83. And just sit down anywhere, and when we call your name, you'll pick it up right here, man.
Okay. Thank you. So this is what we got: baby back ribs with chicken with a side of macaroni and coleslaw, sausage links, sausage sandwich for John, colossal onion rings, and this is beefy back ribs with chicken and french fries.
Robin, your order's ready on counter 2 for Robin.
This is the baby back ribs.
Pero hindi kaya beef yan naman.
This is the beefy ribs. At first it might look scary because the bone is big, but I like this one better than the baby back ribs.
Sabi niya mawawala. Sabi niya, nakasusunod niya sa akin.